Are you curious as to what exactly a class action lawsuit means? Well, if you are, stick around. My name is Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. I've been doing this for over 33 years. In that time, I've helped thousands of people get the justice and compensation that they deserve. If you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. That way you can take advantage of all of my videos. I'm putting out lots of great medical malpractice content, and it's a free resource for you. Why am I doing it? Because I want you to have your medical malpractice and birth injury questions answered. So a class action lawsuit is a very specific type of lawsuit where a whole group of people band together as one and bring one lawsuit against a company. Now, if you're on the internet, you're scrolling on social media, I'm sure you've seen class action lawsuits for all types of things. Medical drugs, medical products, hernia mesh, and you'll see many cases involving class actions. So how is this different from a traditional lawsuit where one person brings one case against one company or one doctor? Well, there's a couple of reasons. The first reason is that sometimes there are so many people that are affected. Let's say there is a dangerous drug that's out on the marketplace, and let's say hundreds of thousands of people have taken this drug and are affected. The most efficient way to deal with a case like that is not to have hundreds of thousands of individual lawsuits all over the country, but to consolidate that case into one lawsuit. It's a more efficient way to get the case resolved. Because you can imagine if there were hundreds of thousands of lawsuits all over the country, it would never end. And so class actions are a way to make this a much more streamlined process. The other reason to bring a class action lawsuit, let's say the injuries to each person are not that great. And so it wouldn't be economically viable for you to pursue that case because the case cost would exceed what the case is worth. And so therefore, if you bring a class action, there are many people who can band together. And although their injuries individually may not be substantial, altogether they become something that's much more economically viable to pursue. So these are the two most common examples of class action lawsuits. I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon.